This is how you pull the Anchored VWAP. Over here in the Trading View and Top Step X drawing tools, it's under the projection tab. Different things display on here, guys. When you click a different thing, like if I pull up a long position, it displays a long position now. So don't be fooled by the image. It's here under projections tab, right down here, volume-based tools, Anchored VWAP. You're going to click that bad boy, and then you're going to decide where on your chart you want to put it, what candle, right? It automatically goes. It doesn't matter if you have your pointer above or below it. It automatically clicks to, here, I'll show you. Automatically clicks to that candle right there, which would maybe be a high. And as price action's printing, you're waiting for a break above that. Some nice confirmed closure. Would have sucked to take it right there. Maybe you waited for something much bigger above that, and it worked out for you. But yeah, I like to anchor these either to a higher low or to NYSE session.